At Keystone Dental Group, we shape the future of implant dentistry, and our mission is clear: to be simple, caring, and deeply trusted. From our advanced facilities, we engineer world-class dental solutions that restore more than just teeth. We restore confidence. Every product starts with a question: what's best for the patient? It starts with titanium. It becomes precision. We design with tolerances down to 1/100th of a millimeter. Our drills, implants, abutments, screws, and tools are a true system. Every component is designed to work in harmony, no compromises. Our implant surface is more than a texture. It's the result of years of focused research and development. Biocompatible, secure, proven, and among the cleanest that the industry has ever seen. Every implant passes through rigorous control. Machines check it. People verify it. Our protocols strive for perfection.
I have had the opportunity to work with the Paltop dental implant system for more than 10 years. I was originally drawn to begin using the Paltop system because of the science behind their clean technology, their surface technology.
Dr. Michael Klein previously published a 5-year study demonstrating remarkable long-term bone stability following the restoration of top dental implants. And the results were truly outstanding.
Today I've had the opportunity to update the data and look at greater than 10 years. And I found that over that 10-year period of time, we're looking at greater than 97% of the time. We have average bone loss of, maybe a little bit over 1 millimeter. To me, that's amazing.
Keystone is a truly global brand with offices and manufacturing in the US, Israel, and Melbourne, Australia, and a trusted network of distribution partners spanning over 40 countries. Our streamlined logistics system ensures fast, reliable delivery to clinicians worldwide. Keystone frequently stage our own world-class scientific events with speakers and opinion leaders of the highest level. We also participate at the major scientific congresses organized by the industry across the globe.
We do many courses across Spain and Latin America, and we always use the Paltop implant system because it's very easy to use, it's reliable, and it's simple for new students to learn how to place implants safely.
The excellent relations we enjoy with all Paltop Keystone personnel and executives, their top quality and performance, enable us to offer a high ratio of value to cost portfolio to our clinicians.
Since incorporating Keystone Paltop implants into my clinical workflow, I have been consistently impressed by their precision, reliability, and biological integration.
From short to wide, analog to digital, our portfolio is engineered for versatility, precision, and clinical success, helping shape the future of implant dentistry through meaningful innovation. We're not just part of the industry, we help lead it.